Hi there, my name's Dan from Carlisle Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this brand new Audi.
Here we have this lovely example of an A3 Sportback Black Edition 35 TFSI featured in the Python yellow metallic paintwork. Under the bonnet you'll find a 1.5 litre petrol engine producing 150 PS, which is delivered via a 7-speed Tronic gearbox, returning up to 46.3 miles per gallon. It comes styled with a 19-inch 5-arm trapezoid style design alloy wheels, and to the front of the vehicle features the LED headlights with the built-in daytime running lights ensuring maximum visibility. You also get the black exterior styling pack including black mirror housing, black window surrounds and privacy glass to the rear, and for a safety feature you've got the parking sensors at the rear helping you squeeze into those tighter spaces much more confidently. Taking a look at the boot, we've got a capacity of 380 litres, which is plenty of storage for carrying out a range of day-to-day tasks such as personal shopping. Moving to the interior, it comes upholstered in the full twin leather, providing plenty of comfort and support for your rear passengers. It also features ISOFIX anchor points. To the front, you've got your flat bottom leather wrapped steering wheel with a very driver focused interior and the silver inlays providing a nice uplifting feel. The front seats are a sport style with the S embossed logo to the top. There's plenty of comfort, support and adjustment in these seats for any length of journey. Controls are mounted on the steering wheel and these help you navigate through the Audi virtual cockpit, giving you access to a variety of menus including vehicle information, media inputs, telephone connectivity, as well as satellite navigation, all within peripheral vision. To the centre you've got your main Audi MMI system, where you can access further applications, and for driver convenience there are shortcuts on the right hand side. Now, these include DAB and FM radio, and for your unfamiliar journeys, satellite navigation, providing you the crisp and clear display of your route ahead once being entered. You can also benefit from Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now I'll leave a link to the top right corner of the screen to show you how you can set this up. Another great feature of this A3 is the Audi Drive Select. This lets you choose your preferred driving profile, which can be refined further with the individual setting for a true customised driving experience. Below this you've got the dual zone climate control for driver and passenger, letting each set a nice ambient temperature and airflow throughout the vehicle. It comes with some nice convenience features such as the 2 USB-C inputs for charging devices as well as audio playback, and some drink holders located to the centre. For those longer journeys you've got the central adjustable armrest with storage underneath.
This vehicle comes with minimum of 3 years warranty and 3 years roadside assistance. For any more information on this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, please call us now on 01228 371 516 or inquire online. Thank you for watching this video.